can put you in my business. You not with.
Hey beautiful people, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl Rochelle. So as seen by the title down below, I'll be giving you guys an unboxing video today. So you all know the usual routine. Please remember to leave a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload whenever time I post a video. And please remember to follow me on Instagram at rush_shella. Follow me on TikTok at rush_shella as well. And if you're not yet subscribed to my second channel, Journey with Rush, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. So this video is highly sponsored by ogbag.ru. Okay, so this is my package, so we're going to be doing an unboxing video. So before we go into the video, if you guys are not aware of ogbags.ru, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about them. So ogbag.ru is a website where you can get designer bag, right? So I don't know, say if you're not a girl, them will love the expensive things. You all can jump on this. And when I'm talking designer bags, I'm talking bags like Christian Dior, Chanel bag, Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, Hermes Kelly. Yes, bags like these I'm talking. And they're not just a website that sells just bags alone, because you can get men's shoes on there, you can get female shoes on there as well, you can get jewelry. They have a wide variety of things on there that you can go and purchase. Okay, I'm gonna lie, them things them really nice, no cap about that. You guys can use my code YVES so that you guys can get 10% off when you're placing an order on this website. Okay, so I'm gonna be placing their website link in my description, as well as I'm gonna be placing my item link in the description, and then I'm gonna be putting their Instagram in my description as well. So if it's a case where you guys want to reach out to them on Instagram, you can reach out to them on Instagram. We're gonna be pulling this package, and then I'm gonna be showing you all what I got. Okay, so let's go. This is the mistake I always make. Alright guys, here what me gonna find this is as I may look for. So I'm gonna just use a pen to pull this thing. Why? Me and the tape them from the package them always a fight. We're always a fight. We're always fighting. Man. Oh, I'm gonna put this from now, yeah, so I love when they wrap the package them in a but man, when they wrap the package them so tight, it's just stressful for pull, man. But anyway, we finally open it. Man. Then tape I go drive me crazy. Finally. Alright, so pull the box is one, take out this thing is the other. My Jesus. Oh Lord, I feel like my energy level is at 0. Alright, so I think you all see what's on the package already. Louis Vuitton, right? So let's get this thing out of this bubble wrap. Alright guys, this packaging is so cute. But I love when the packaging cute saying. I love when they're cute. And it's giving orange. Oh, this open now. Okay, so this is fancy. So whoa, this almost like a bag. So look, it does see. I like this. I love this packaging. Damn. Alright guys, so we're gonna show you what and what. Look at this. Oh my god. Guys, the scent. Oh my god, this smells like farid, man, I lie. It smells so nice. Alright, so get a Louis Vuitton bag. So we leave this up now. Alright guys, so we get a Louis Vuitton bag. So this is like a bag where, you know, if you're going out on like special occasions and stuff, you know, you can bring this bag to drop, you know, maybe a purse and few little other things in it. It's a nice little bag where you can bring out travel wise, right? So I'm gonna be pulling this and show you all what's in there. Okay. Alright guys, so let's see a card in here, and then this. Ooh. Okay, so let me just go through these thoroughly. So see a card in here, and then I guess this is the receipt. So these are the receipt. And then I get this as well, which is the receipt for the bag as well. Thank you and have a nice day. Like, man, I love how them package up them stuff. Yeah, I like how them package up them stuff. And again, the scent, oh lord, the scent is so scenting. Them just package them something them cute. Yeah. Oh my god. So guys, this is my little bag that I got, and it's nice. But they tell me if you don't love it, like I see the pink one and I say this is so cute, like I have to get this, you know, I have to get this. So this is how inside of the bag look. So beautiful, and it comes with the things that, you know, keep the scent in it. But now, like, the bag just little and neat. Neat. Come on. So anyway, this looks like a next card again. Hold on there. Let's see, this is what. Oh, so this is a little booklet. And so this is a little booklet coming out of the bag. And then it comes with the strap. So you know you have the strap to put on the bag. And then it comes with this as well, that should put on the bag. Right, so this is a little coin purse. See there? A little coin purse. So I'm going to take off the plastic off this, and then I'm going to put it on the bag. And then I don't know we're gonna road. So guys, I love that something here. I love this. The leather texture bag. Yeah, it's nice. And then the color, I am so in love with the color. Like, wanna tell me if you don't love the color? It's so cute. Look at that. And not to mention on the inside, look, like, I'm gonna set up the bag strap, and this here when we finish, but look inside the bag, like, come on, it's really cute. So guys, if you guys are gonna be interested in getting this same exact bag like when me get, I'm going to be putting the bag link in my description, and you guys can click on that and you can purchase the same exact bag that I purchased, right? And this is a mini never full bag. Yeah, so this is a mini never full bag. So I don't know, say some of the time when I go to good phone, just throw some things in a bag, like, you know, no phone, panty liner, lip gloss, on a glass same way, few little things, wipes, and then on a Ghana road. Alright guys, so I just put on the kind purse at the side at the bag, and then I put on the strap on it as well. So here's it with the strap, right? And I'm not lie, it's so cute. Like, I don't know, I'm just in love with the whole pink and white, and the design, oh gosh, is everything. So anyway guys, please remember to go over to ogbag.ru and purchase your designer bag, designer shoes, designer jewelry, anything that you want to purchase. So please remember to use my code YVES so that you guys can get 10% off. And please remember that I'll be placing the website link in the description as well as the bag link in the description same way, and I'll be placing their Instagram account in my description too. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. So it's your girl Rush, and I am out until another video. Bye.